What animal has the lowest preference for mercy? Are you familiar with the reptilian brain? No? Well, let me acquaint you. The reptilian brain understands only four commands: fight, flight, feed, and foo. Make love. The observant person will notice that mercy did not figure in the reptilian brain. Does that crocodile care that it is killing a small impala? Does it care a mother could be grieving or a baby is snatched to death before its time? No. Reptiles don't care for niceties like that. They have no mercy. They're not built for mercy. They're unable to conceive of mercy, and you know what? They have lived for hundreds of millions of years longer than primates. Go figure.